Hi guys, here is Marie Stick here, and here is Farmersville, my bad, Farmersville Illinois Whelen. I think it's the WPS series. It's tested the first Tuesday of the month at 10 a.m. They got another one at the fire station, which I videoed that back in October. But I'm videoing this one now. It's pretty impressive size. It goes off for tornado. This is their tornado warning siren, and they got a fire station. At the fire station, they got a Model 2. But I'll again walk up to it to give you guys a view. The sun's kind of in my eyes. There it is. I videoed this one back in October. I thought I would just get a video of it again, because I do that sometimes. I know American Siren Productions films more than one video of Raymond's. There it is. I'm going to come over here. I'll look both ways before I cross this street. And I think I'm going to go over on that sidewalk and get you guys another view of it. This is their control box for the Whelen. I don't think I showed you the control box for it. It's right here. It's a Whelen. It doesn't say Whelen, but usually it has the logo on it. But I thought I would just get another video for it, for you guys that are interested in sirens. Watching for cars this way. I think I'll come over here to their sidewalk. Hopefully they won't mind. But this will make a good view of the siren for you guys. Again, I filmed this one back in October. We're probably not going to do the fire station anytime soon. But that one only goes off for fire calls, that model. That model. Get out of here, Nat. Sorry about that. That Model 2. By the fire station. But here it is. It's kind of impressive. Again, it goes off at 10 a.m. first Tuesday for a test. So if your siren fans happen to drive by here, check this siren out. It's quite impressive. And for you fans that are interested in windmills, here's their windmill. Yeah, I don't think we're going to have time to get Farmersville's fire siren, but here's their tornado siren. They're Whelen. Peace out. I hear an airplane. See it? This video might be laggy compared to the other one I filmed, the Farmersville sirens. But again, here it is. Whelen WPS cylinder Whelen. 2900 class. Quite impressive. There's some in Carlinville, some in Jerseyville. Most of them are cylinder in Litchfield. I'm getting tired of looking at these sirens. I'm going to hopefully film Irving's 2001 here shortly. Peace out.